Good morning from middle of nowhere, Texas. So we are somewhere in the middle of Texas Hill Country on our way to Marfa. We've spent the past 3 nights visiting some of my family in San Antonio. Marfa is this kind of eclectic, random artsy town that is like known for being this kind of bizarre, out of the way place. And I feel like it gained popularity after Beyonce took a photo at this art exhibit called Prada Marfa, which is this Prada store in the middle of nowhere that's built as an art exhibit within the city. So yeah, just like very random. We're doing an all-American road trip and I'm so excited. It's already off to a great start. Basically, this is me and Breck's first actual like travel trip together. We just had to stop in the middle of nowhere because there's like no food or anything like along the highways, but we are loving it so far and I can't wait to see what Marfa and more has in store for us. Go, Kylie, go. You're doing great, sweetie. We made it to Marfa. We're staying at the coolest campground ever called El Cosmico. And my sweet, sweet man is about to wagoneer our, our luggage. This might be the coolest campground I've ever seen. Look, they have safari tents that you can rent out, which are so cool. They also have teepees, trailers. I think they have some kind of interesting buildings, but we are staying in a yurt, which it does have AC and heat, so this is definitely glamping at its finest.
If you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause I will make a bigger thing.
Oh, we're freezing, help us. We're back in the yurt, bundled up because we're freezing. The yurt is super warm and we just cranked up the heat. It feels so good in here. It's also so cozy. Now we're gonna eat before we go and look for the Marfa lights, which are these like mystery lights that people report seeing all the time. So that's our next adventure. Good morning. morning. Oh, we are wrapping up our stay at El Cosmico campground in Marfa. It was so cozy. We woke up and it was 14 degrees outside. Now we're just about to leave and head to breakfast before we go to Guadalupe National Park and onward with our adventure. Good morning, vlog. We spent last night heading from Guadalupe Mountains to Roswell. Anyway, we're excited. It's our last full day here in the American Southwest. I can't believe it. The time has really flown, but we're excited to go explore and to see what else there is to do. Hi vlog! We're checking in after a long day of hanging out in Carlsbad Cavern and downtown Roswell. We loved Carlsbad Cavern. It was fantastic. I mean, mind-blowing how massive the structure is. And then we went to the Alien UFO Museum, which details the history of Roswell and why it's known for alien culture and lore. And now we're finally heading back to the hotel after grabbing a couple of groceries because tomorrow we are hitting the road. Thank you so much for watching, and definitely stay tuned for more Breck and Lola adventures. We have some fun places coming up. Cheers!